Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use PayPal on CNFans. Let's get started. First, open up the CNFans app and create a sample order. I'll go ahead and choose the Wallets category as an example. Once I've picked a wallet I like, I'll tap on Buy Now to move to the checkout screen. When you reach the checkout screen, you may notice that PayPal isn't listed as an available payment option. However, there's a workaround. You can order a PayPal debit card, which works just like a normal debit card. Once you have your PayPal card, you can use it for purchases on CNFans. Simply select the debit or credit card option, enter your PayPal debit card details, and proceed with your purchase as you normally would. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.